Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books More. You can find me on Facebook at my new named page, same page but newly named Suzanne Shares Books. You can find me on YouTube at the same spot. So today I wanted to share with you some oldies but goodies, our step-by-step drawing series. I have a really old video of this where I talked for about 6 minutes about these. Clearly I love them so much, but I thought I would update this, make it a little shorter. But when I became a consultant 6.5 years ago, this was one of the books that came in my consultant kit. My boys were at an age where they were getting easily frustrated by drawing. And I was so thankful that this was in my kit. I'd never seen it, but it truly empowered them to feel confident again that they could draw. So one thing I love about the step-by-step drawing book series is that it is literally step-by-step, as you can see from the cover. The images that are in the book, there they are. There's where they drew. How cute. I love this. You literally follow each step. They're numbered. It's great for sequential ordering, following directions, and it is truly empowering for children because oftentimes they see the finished product in a book and they're like, I want to draw that. And they don't know how to take the steps to get from here to here. But because of our step-by-step process in the series, it allows them to do that. So it's truly empowering. We have step-by-step drawing book, which has a little bit of everything. We also have animals and we also have people. And these are only $9.99. They're such a great deal. So I hope that you've enjoyed a peek inside our step-by-step drawing series. These are geared for a little bit younger, but if you have older kiddos, you may want to check out my year of art, which I have a video on my YouTube channel of this as well, that is also geared towards drawing, but definitely geared for a little bit older. So thanks for watching. You can find these on my website, SuzanneSharesBooks.com, and I'm so thankful that you get to drop by and watch the video. Thanks, friends.